Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, April 6th, 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar. Overnight data didn't impress anybody. The market services PMI from China released during the ASEAN session disappointed the market professionals with actual reading of 42 points, while the forecast was 49 and the previous reading was 50. So bad data from China. Construction PMI from UK is scheduled for release at 10:30, and the PPI producer price index from the Eurozone is scheduled for release at 11. During the New York session, we have the IV Purchasing Managers Index and then crude oil inventories, respectively 4 o'clock and 4:30 o'clock. However, the key event of the day is the FOMC meeting minutes released at 8 p.m. So this is the Forex calendar. Let's take a look what is going on the charts. We are going to start with the US dollar index. Daily time frame chart of the US dollar index showing us the tested technical support at 97.77. We can even adjust this level to the newest data, and the technical support would be at 97.68, and we have a new higher high. The new swing high was made at 99.72, so the market is clearly heading towards the level of 100. So this is the next target for bulls, of course, the round level of 100. Please notice the fact that the market is trading right now out of the channel. This channel, if we zoom out, we can see that this is very important channel, because this is almost 1 year old channel, and this is ascending channel when the US dollar is appreciating across the board. So next target 100. Let's take a look if there's any more precise target. There you go, 100 is the next target. Then there is a 158 and then 186. The highest visible high in 2 years is at the level of 102.96, basically 103 points. So will we get there or not? I think we might get there. There's one more level for the US dollar index, as you can see, marked with the thick red line. This is 103.81. So bullish domination on the US dollar index continues. Apparently no evidence of any kind of bearish developments, no patterns, no bearish forces. Momentum is strong and positive, so up we go on the US dollar index. If it is so, what is gold doing? The spot gold market is doing what the spot gold market should do when we are talking about a rising dollar. Gold looks to the downside. Why? Because there is still third wave missing here, the wave C. Of course, we need to break below 1,918. This is the immediate technical support. Then we need to break below 1,894. Then the next target is 1,877. However, the ultimate target for this pattern ABC to the downside is located at around 1,833. So then wave C might be completed, and of course the RSI will definitely break suddenly below the level of 50 towards the level of 30 in order to of course make the market conditions extremely oversold. So this is the target for the gold. I think it's pretty clear for everyone that the biggest rally, the most surprising rally of the gold had been completed. 2075 was almost hit, and down we go in wave A. Eventually some kind of the mishmash on the wave B, and then wave C, down we go. If gold is going down, what then the US dollar to the Japanese yen is doing? Daily time frame chart of US dollar to Japanese yen supports the view of the rising US dollar index. So what do we have here? Quick test of 121.28, and since the beginning end of the last week basically, and the beginning of this week for sure, we are bouncing again towards 125.15, and then if we break above this level, the next target is 125.83. So US dollar to Japanese yen, the outlook is still the same. The outlook is bullish, with very strong bullish market and bullish momentum, of course. I'm looking at the highs of the 2015. So this high is my point of reference for now, and if we hit the level of 125 will be enough to say that we have the weakest yen in 7 years. So the yen will be very much oversold. So this might be another situation for the traders to grab this opportunity and this trading setup. However, please be careful, because those levels here might not be hit that easily. We are still missing around 120 pips, let's say. So we need a day or two for another rally in the US dollar to Japanese yen. Last but not least, Bitcoin. Daily time frame chart of Bitcoin shows the another test of 44,409. So this technical support, current technical support, old technical resistance, is being recognized by market participants, and it's being traded. Why? Because this is some sort of the pin bar forming. Of course, this is daily time frame chart. We have plenty of time to close the daily candle and then see what is the actual candle. However, for today it looks like a rebound higher. We first need to break above 48,200. This is the high from the 28th of the March, and then fly high towards 50, and then 51,846 technical resistance. So there is still a chance to develop the black arrow scenario, as long as the level of $44,409 is not clearly violated. Because if it is, then of course we might have new local low, and then the next target for bears is 42,616. And please notice the fact that in that situation, when we get lower, the possibility to break below this the trend line, the short-term trend line, is very high. So we must pay attention for that possibility as well when we are talking about the Bitcoin. So right now the market doesn't actually know what to do. It looks like we are bouncing from the support, then we try to rally, but then we are being pushed away from the highs, and we got this upper shadows on the daily candles, as you can see here. Then we have up and down shadows. So the market it looks like it's undecided whether it should go up and down. The momentum doesn't help on Bitcoin as well, because it's falling towards the level of 57. It's still strong momentum, however it's not that strong as above 60 or 62. Then of course this momentum is very strong, and it's getting closer and closer towards the level of 70, which is extremely strong, and it marks the extremely overbought market conditions as well. So to resume, right now, as long as we trade above 44,409, the outlook is still bullish. We should follow the black black arrow, and the arrow points the level of 51,846 if we break above 48,200 first, right? If not, we might stay inside of this consolidation and consolidate for many days before the breakout will be completed. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.